Good morning, guys. Hope everyone doing good. Today is my first motor vlog, and today in the morning it's around 5:45. 5:45 in the morning. I just woke up. Almost more than 1 month. More than 1 month. I was waking up around 8:30 or 9 o'clock in the morning, and today is my first motor vlog. So I just woke up early in the morning around 5:15. I just freshened up, just came out for a short spin of my mini beast. I call this bike as a mini beast, as it's not a bike, but I called it as a bike. And what's up, guys? Any new updates on this virus and everything? Nothing is yet. I think Ramdev Baba had invented a new medicine, but it's under some issue with the government. So, without the government information or without any government permission, he has released the medicine. So, some issue is going on. So, what's up, people? Watch this video till last. I want to share some views about one of the incident which occurred in Bangalore on 21st, that is on Sunday. There was a major accident happened in Bangalore. There were some kids around 19, 20 or 21 years. They had some major accident in Bangalore main road, some area. I don't know the exact area, but there were some news articles as well as in the newspapers, in the all the social media networks, like in the TikTok or as in the Hello app, and there are other many apps. They're showing these three guys, like, who met with an accident. It's an accident. It's a major accident. In that, all the three people were dead instantly, on the spot death. Because the thing is, like, they had doing these wheelie and stoppies on the road. Wheelies and stoppings on the roads. These are the stunts which has to be done by the professionals. I don't know why these people are doing without any protection. And these three guys, they don't have any protection, no helmets. Yes, no helmets and no shoes, no riding gear, no riding pants, no riding jackets. Nothing was there. Without any protection, they have done their stunts, and finally the destiny was their death. I don't know why these people are doing. Because I have seen many people in the Bangalore or else in other areas. They're doing all this stupid stuff. If you want to do any stunts like wheeling, stoppies, and other stupid stuffs, go to any professional stunt master or any professional events. Learn over there with the basic safety knowledge and get it done only in the basic professional events, not on the roads. Unnecessary, you're spoiling your life. You're taking risk of your own life, as well as you're taking other person's risk. Because the thing is, like, the person, I'll show you the video. These two people, the thing, like, there are two people riding, I think, RX 100, Yamaha RX 100. So, like, he's doing some wheelie on this RX 100, and the person who is sitting behind, I mean the pillion, he is very innocent. He didn't do anything. He just sat on the backside as a pillion. He got murdered. When he was dead on the spot, his head was completely smashed. Almost the road was with complete blood and all stuff. I don't know how badly these two guys hit another person who's coming out the opposite direction. He also doing some stunts. Both the bikes were hit, collided, and these two people are completely dead. Completely dead. So I don't know, like there are some things which we have to think about our life, like what we are doing. अरे भाई रेसिंग करना है तो रेसिंग ट्रैक पे करो, स्टंट्स करना है तो प्रोफेशनल स्टंट मास्टर से वहाँ जाके करो, उनके पास सेफ्टी मेजर्स ले लो, पहले राइडिंग गेयर पहन लो, राइडिंग पैंट मिलता है, राइडिंग जैकेट मिलता है, राइडिंग ग्लव्स मिलता है, एंड यू विल हैव अ हेलमेट. Without helmet you can't come out of the house itself with a bike, and this is mandatory for each and every people. I don't know why these people are doing all these stupid stuffs without any without any riding gear. I don't know. Abhi, nowadays girls are even riding the bikes, and I really appreciate like girls are coming out as equal as we are. Now we all are equal, men and women are equal. अरे चलो भाई, लड़कियां भी सीख रहे हैं, लड़कियां भी गाड़ी चला रहे हैं. Even I like to have a partner with a riding girl. अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है, मगर the thing is like even bike जो भी ड्राइविंग स्कूल से लाइक कार्स, टू व्हीलर्स और फोर व्हीलर्स, पहले फर्स्ट सेफ्टी सिखाना है. व्हाट इज़ सेफ्टी. उसके बाद ड्राइविंग सीखना है, वो भी छोटे गली में हो या बड़ा गली में हो या मेन रोड पे हो या नॉर्मल रोड्स पे हो, गली के बाजू में रोड्स पे भी हो. फर्स्ट सेफ्टी प्रिकॉशंस, उसके बाद ही जो ट्रेनिंग देना है वो ट्रेनिंग सब देना है. फॉर द न्यू बिगिनर और फॉर द new beginner as well, helmet and a shoes is mandatory for a new beginner. Might be a small moped, scooter, or else any cc bike, small cc or big cc, whatever it may be. The helmet is a must. Helmet is mandatory. Helmet is mandatory. Shoes are mandatory. If you have a riding gear, it's more than enough for your protection, because riding gear is nothing but it has some armed security, like in the riding jacket you'll be finding level 2, level 3, level 1 is protection for your arms, for your elbows, and your shoulder protector and your backbone protector. Everything is protected on these jackets, so it's better to wear. Will save your life as well as it will save everything. Like you might be fall down from your bike, but at least you'll be injured in a minor way, not in a major way. Minor way is fine, so you can get it cured. But if it's a major accident without any protection, then we might lose our lives. So it's better to ride a bike with the completely precautionary measures. By taking precautionary measures like helmet and shoes are real mandatory things for riding a bike. Apart from that, you can if you are going for a long rides like major riders do in all over India and all over the world, they'll have a riding jacket with a riding pant with a riding shoes, because they are not going for a racing, but they are going for a long trip generally. So for these long riders, they doesn't need these kind of protections and all. But why they are taking the precautionary measures? Because if something happens to them in the ride, there will be a lot of problems. So it's better they are taking the complete precautionary measures to have a satisfactory of their ride. So please, before going for a small ride, or if you are coming out of the house or office on a bike, if you are taking a bike, then take your helmet. If you can't forget your keys, you can't forget your mobile, so why can't you forget other things and remember the helmet? It's better remember taking the helmet. Remember, you'll remember mobile, but you'll forget the helmet. So it's better while taking the mobile also take your helmet. It will be useful for you as well. It's useful for your family life. I'm really surprised. Like suddenly it got happened on Sunday, and I'm really surprised and really shocked that these three people, the young kids, 19, 20, 21 years old, died on the spot only while by doing the wheelies. Wheelies on the road are illegal. We should not perform any stunts on the roads. अरे भाई करना है చేయాలనుకుంటే ఏదైనా మంచి प्लेन ग्राउंड में जाके करो ना जो करना है. रोड के ऊपर क्यों करना है? आपका लाइफ रिस्क है और ऑपोजिट वाले का लाइफ रिस्क है. लाइक व्हेन वी आर गोइंग ऑन द रोड, डोंट नो बिहाइंड पीछे से कौन आके मार देता, कि कौन आके व्हीली करता, कौन आके क्या करता. अभी ये साउंड भी, हॉर्न भी थोड़ा दिमाग खराब हो रहा. बड़े बड़े हॉर्न्स कर रहे हैं, क्या क्या है कि कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स wrong with this kind of things. Let me take a U-turn from here. आज क्या है? And now we are in this, what do you say, this Kukatpalli. Yeah, we are in Kukatpalli. It's a very long time I've been here in Kukatpalli area. That too early in the morning. And guys, this is the thing I want to share. I was completely shocked, and this is my opinion on the roadside stunt masters. Perform your stunts, but perform in a plain ground when there are no one around. Don't do it on the roadside, because it will always cause your lives. Be responsible. Is responsible for your life. The climate is very nice. I mean, the clouds. Completely, super clouds. I hope you are seeing the clouds. Maybe. This is coming straight. Wrong route. సో బాబు, చిన్న బండి నడపాలంటే హెల్మెట్ మ్యాండటరీ. చిన్న షూ వేసుకోవడం నేర్చుకో.